Hello?
Hi, Tarat. It's Nolan. Can I bother you for a second?
Sure.
The question is, so Washington is going to be very interested in Bolot Temirov's case.
Okay.
And we want to find out from Bolot whether he thinks it would help him in his situation or harm him.
You mean the statement?
Yeah. Whether mentioning his name in the statement would help him or harm him.
Okay.
Because we don't know what we're planning to do, but we can tell him, you know, even if he says, like, mentioning it will be good, we still are not promising that we will put his name in the statement. We're looking at saying something, but we're just trying to figure out what to say.
Okay. Okay.
So if you can find out from him, I have his number, but he doesn't, my Russian isn't really good enough to convey that nuance.
Okay.
I don't know if he has his phone or what is the situation, but if you can call him and call me back. Because the question is, we're probably planning to say something, but we don't know whether naming him in the statement will be good or not.
Yeah, I've got it.
But even if it is good, even if he says, you can say my name, please tell him this is not a guarantee that we will put his name in the statement.
Got it. Okay.
Okay? All right. All right, thanks. And then once you get that response, if you can call me back, I'd appreciate it.
Sure.
Thanks. Thanks, Tarat. Hi, Tarat.
Yes, Nolan.
Yep.
Yeah, I just talked to Bolot through Telegram, and he takes very kind of strong precaution security measures.
Yeah.
He checked if it was really me, like this. He looks a bit frustrated, of course, and he said that the kind of initial goal was to arrest him. But under the pressure, the public pressure, they just released. And he doesn't know what to expect, so he would appreciate any kind of support, and the statement would be good. But he says he mentioned, and we already saw these attempts, the travel attempts, kind of to bind him with the Western support, and present him as a Western agent or spy or whatever.
No.
So he doesn't want this. So